Hi guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we'll be looking at how we can trade gold, GBPUSD, EURUSD, and USDJPY on the smaller time frames. But before I go to the lower time frames, I'm going to take a look at what has happened on the higher time frames. I'll be starting with gold. What I see on the price of gold on the weekly time frame is the fact that the price of gold is trying to uh, find a kind of direction, in the sense that um, the setup we have on this particular side of the chart gives like a morning star, but right now price is dropping on the weekly time frame. With the weekly candlestick is gradually forming a shadow that indicates that price might not go up any longer. So we'll be seeing price drop gradually from here, and this leaves us with this descending trend line being respected. And as much as we have the descending trend line being respected, the price of gold might possibly drop. So that's what I see on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, I can see that the descending trend line is currently being respected. I'm talking about this particular trend line. It's being respected on the daily time frame, as we start to see what looks like the formation of an evening star right here, and that means price might drop. If price breaks below the low, I'm talking about if price breaks below the 1954 level, price might drop to the close of this particular daily candle, the closing level, which is 1947, before price drops further to 1938 level. So more like the trend line, this particular descending trend line is being respected for now, as it appears as if the bears have come into the market. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price has already formed a top, more like a swing high, and we might see price drop into this particular order block on the 4-hour time frame. I'm talking about this demand area. You might see price drop into that level before price finds some level of support. But if price is going to find some level of support, we'll have the buyers will have to contend with this particular supply area that might serve as resistance to price. That's that on the 4-hour time frame. The outlook is bearish. On the 1-hour time frame, we have a ranging setup. Price is currently ranging. This is the range top, the range top, and this is the range bottom on the 1-hour time frame. So we'll be expecting price to break lower, in as much as price is ranging on the 1-hour time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, we can see that the bears are currently trying to come in, as we start to as we see long red candles showing the momentum and the force of the pressure the bears are mounting in into price. So on 15 minutes time frame, still have price ranging. Price has broken the other blocks and has penetrated the other blocks on the 15 minutes time frame, and the bears are trying to push price to break the low of the range. I'm talking about the 1954 level. Break of that level and a close below that level, we'll see price dropping lower, possibly to the next level on the 15 minutes time frame, which is the 1945 level. Price might possibly drop to this. If the 1954 level breaks, the next level will be 1945. We can already see on the 15 minutes time frame more like a price is forming a top, and we might see price breaking lower, giving us a retest before price drops. On the 5 minutes time frame, it's still ranging, and on the 1 minute time frame, price is currently bearish. But for now, on the 1 minute time frame, what we can also see is the fact that the bulls are trying to form a triple bottom or inverted head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, this is the right, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So the bulls are trying to push price up. On the 1 minute chart, we have the neckline to be this. This is the neckline. A break and a retest of the neckline might possibly give the buyers some level of impetus for price to be pushed up. So that's for analysis on gold. It's currently bearish. For GBPUSD, price is still ranging. We have a range on the weekly time frame. Price is ranging, no definite direction, and we might possibly see a drop in price. But that is if the range, we have a range breakout. If we have a breakout to the downside, we might see a possible drop in price. But for now, price is ranging on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see that price is currently reacting to this more like a tweezer top. All right, for this particular descending trend line, giving us like a test here and a test here. We can see price is currently dropping. Price might form a double bottom at this level. We might see a double bottom at this level, or price might possibly break the structure for price to go downwards. But for now, the outlook on the daily time frame is bearish until we see a break above the descending trend line somewhere around the 1.25200 level. If you see a break above that level, price might go up for this particular order block on the daily time frame. So if you see a break above this particular level, price might possibly go up. On the 4-hour time frame, price is currently ranging. You can see that price is ranging on the 4-hour time frame. We might want to wait for a break of this range. We might want to wait for a break of this range for GBPUSD before we take our trade decision. But for now, we have this bullish move and we have this down leg, and then price starts to range until we see a breakout of this range. We want to step aside and continue to monitor our price. But on the daily time frame, as it is ranging, we can see price giving us a descending trend line. Okay, and with price at the support, trying to push up. We have a descending trend line indicating that this is a high, this is a low, this is a lower high, but we have a higher low around here. So we might see price gradually, ranging to a particular point before we have a breakout. On the 4-hour time, on the 30 minutes time frame, the bears are currently in charge and the bulls are stepping in. Bulls are trying to step in until we see price push above possibly the 50% Fibonacci level, which is the 1.24161 level. Price will definitely continue in a downward trend, okay, or a bearish trend. Looking at the descending trend line, the bears are in charge of price as far as GBPUSD is concerned. So you might want to look for selling opportunities. We might see price dropping back as it gets to this part, as it's already close to this particular descending trend line. But if price is going to push up, we have this order block on the 5 minutes time frame. We have this particular order block that might serve as resistance to price if price is going to push up. On the 1 minute time frame, the bulls are currently pushing price up, but it's ranging and the candles are small until we see a drop with a long candle for us to enter a sell trade. But for now, price is already at the descending trend line. This descending trend line, and this is a 1 minute chart. We might see price breaking to the downside as time goes on. So that's that for GBPUSD. The overall trend for now is still bearish. Okay, let's take a look at Euro USD on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can see Euro USD forming double top, and price is aiming for the neckline. The neckline is around here. Price is aiming for the neckline. The neckline for Euro USD is around the 1.05292. A break below the neckline on the weekly time frame, and a retest of same might send price lower. I see price going lower, but that's that on the weekly time frame, and that might take some time, might take some weeks, might take some months. On the daily time frame, the price of Euro USD is currently bearish. On the 4-hour time frame, price is also bearish. On the 1-hour time frame, price is bearish. On the 30 minutes time frame is somehow bearish, but also ranging. Okay, on the 30 minutes time frame is ranging. Euro USD is ranging. This is the range bottom. We might want to wait for price to break below that level for us to enter sell trade, and this is the range top. But for now, the bears are more active. On the 15 minutes time frame, price is ranging, and we have a range within a range. Okay, this is another range for Euro USD. You might want to wait for a range breakout before placing our trade. Same thing with the 5 minutes, it's ranging, but it's more bearish. And same thing with the 1 minute, Euro USD is ranging, but it's more, look more to the bearish side. On the weekly time frame for USDJPY, we can see price, the weekly setup, candlestick setup is showing an evening star pattern formation. Okay, but that is not complete yet. Same looking at the daily time frame. The daily time frame shows that USDJPY is currently ranging. We have something like a triangle formation, triangle range formation. So we might want to wait for price to break out of this triangle on the daily time frame. It's currently ranging. Same thing with the 4-hour time frame. It's currently ranging. We have the triangle, becoming more narrower, and we might likely see a range breakout soon. That's for the 4-hour time frame. But if it's going to break out to the top side, we have this supply area around here that might serve as resistance to price, and if it's going to break to the downside, we have this demand area that might serve as support to price. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame, USDJPY is forming like a double bottom. This is the first bottom, this is the second bottom, but this descending trend line might serve as resistance to price, in as much as price is trying to go up. We also have this supply area. This other block might serve as resistance to price. But for now, on the 30 minutes time frame, we can see USDJPY giving a triple bottom, showing that price is going up for now. On the 15 minutes time frame, you can see the triple bottom, showing that price is the first bottom. This is the second bottom, and this is the third bottom, showing that price going up. The neckline was broken around here. Okay, and price gradually going up. On the 5 minutes time frame, you can see the triple bottom more elaborate. Okay, and price reacted to that, so you might want to look for buying opportunities. On the 1 minute time frame, you might want to consider buying USDJPY as price continues to hedge upwards. And of course, if USDJPY is going up, you might look at selling gold, because they go the opposite direction. So that's all for today's video. If you're here to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you are here to like the video and you like what you just saw, go ahead and click the like button. Drop comment below the video, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. All right, you can also click the bell button below the video for notification. All right, you can go to our website www.beingfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade. You can also go to another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.